How to create Google Drive account. If you guys are wondering how you can create a Google Drive account, you may follow up the steps. So, you don't need to go ahead and directly use this application right here at the Drive. You may go ahead and look out for the creation page of Google account first. So, you need to create up a Google account first. For that, you may just go ahead and open up any of the browser available, or you can directly go ahead and access any of the Google application and start the process of creating your account. Once you are in the sign page of Google, what you may look out for is create account option. Tap on it. Now, once you tap on create account option, it will give you option to choose whether the account for is personal use or for managing a business. So let's head over to personal use for now and then look out for create account option. So you need to fill out the required information. First process is a name. You may just go ahead and provide up your name here in the section, your name and surname. After that, tap on next. And once you tap on next, the next information is your birth date. Just go ahead and provide them which year you were born on, which month, and which day. After that is done, select up your gender and tap on next. And you may select up a username for yourself for your Gmail address. So you may select one of those, for example, this. After that, tap on next. Once this is done, you need to go ahead and create up a strong password. Just go ahead and create up a strong password for yourself. It should be a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols, and tap on next. After that, you may need to verify your account by a phone number and other email address, and review and agree to the Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Now, once your account has been created, if you would like to create a Google Drive account, you just need to go ahead and download the Google Drive application if you don't have it yet. You can just head over to the search of your available app store and search for Google Drive and directly open it up and download it on your device. And then once it is downloaded, you may just go ahead and use your credentials, Google account credentials when prompted. Otherwise, if the Google account has been already added on your device, it will basically, you can basically find your account when you click at the top right corner of your screen. So that is how you basically create Google Drive account very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.